Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today, but I have a surprise for you guys. My iPhone 11 clear case has arrived today, and so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys it real quickly and do a very quick unboxing. So that is what the packaging looks like. We have this little green tab right here so we can pull it, and hopefully it peels off just like that. That's how it's supposed to go. So here is the clear case. If I pull it out of the packaging, and look at that, my camera can't even focus on it. Let me go ahead and adjust that manually. But there we have it, guys, the iPhone 11 clear case. I'm scared to see what, as you guys can see, the fingerprints are already crazy on it. Anyway, guys, that is the clear case. I'm super excited to see what this looks like on the iPhone 11. Now, just real quickly, I don't actually have a 10R, but as you guys can see, comparing it to my iPhone 10 right here, the iPhone 11 is the same size as the 10R, the only difference being the camera array on the back. So the iPhone 11, again, is just a little bit bigger than the iPhone 10 and 10s. Again, if we compare it to the iPhone 10s Max or iPhone 11 Pro Max, again, it's going to be just a little bit smaller. So unfortunately, this phone and this phone won't fit in the case, but again, on unboxing day, when I unbox the iPhone 11, I at least have a case to go with it now. I hope you guys appreciated this video, taking a look at the iPhone 11's clear case. Again, this is also available for the iPhone 11 Pro, as well as the Pro Max. This is the very first clear case by Apple. It looks pretty sweet. If we take a look at the sides real quickly before I end this video, the bottom, again, is cut out. We have the volume rocker as well as the silent toggle switch right there. That's cut out, but these are actually on the case itself. Anyway, look at that camera hole though, guys. That array is going to be huge. Again, on this phone, on the iPhone 11, there's going to be a dual camera array, and on the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, there is a triple lens camera array. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm getting super excited for this year's iPhone unboxings, as well as their lineup. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. More iPhone 11 content coming very soon. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.